Hello friends, today I hope to give you a solution for the iPhone battery death, and my iPhone is not turned on. My iPhone is not working due to the charging problem. It means your battery is not charging. First of all, you can remove the display and your back cover just like this. It is very simple process. Now you can see inside area of this iPhone. Now I hope to remove covering metallic plate under the over the connection of battery and your iPhone. Now you can carefully remove the connection of battery just like this. Sometimes it may be different due to the your iPhone version. Now I hope to attach new power supply just like this without battery power supply. You can see here some of external cables and external connections. You can see some of value are changing. It means your device is ready to start up. Don't worry, you have to wait several seconds because Apple logo is loading. You can see here Apple logo is loading, and I hope to show you some of testing because some value is changing. It means your ampere value it is taking some of ampere value and voltage value just like this. You have to wait and hold on it just like this because I hope to show you Apple logo is loading. It may take several times, and also your fingerprint or password is showing. It means your iPhone is working perfectly, but your iPhone battery has been dead. Don't worry, I hope to give you full solution. It is not compulsory to replace new battery. I hope to give additional power supply. It is smooth voltage just like power supply, but it is much value. But you can see here additional value is taking. I hope to kept it about 10 minutes, but I am not showing it on this video. You can see battery is sometimes charging, but sometimes this method is not working. It was kept about 10 minutes to 15 minutes, but it was not succeed for this iPhone. It means its battery has been dead completely. Don't worry, I hope to give you the best solution of this video. Now you can see nothing happened on this iPhone. Okay, don't worry, I hope to remove the battery, and I hope to attach it to the high performance charge circuit. You can see it is just like this. Now you can see battery is charging, ampere range is changing rapidly. It means your battery is being taken some of good value of your voltage. Don't worry, you can keep this continuously at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. After completion of that, you can insert the battery. Definitely it will work for you. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. We are cordially invite you to subscribe our YouTube channel to get new technical updates.